2024 Ford Mustang GT50, new body style, good looking car. All right, guys, let me show you what we've done to it. Factory converter. Then we took the resonator out and put an X pipe in its place, right there. Part number SXP3. There'll be a link in the description for it and on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Then 2.5-inch pipe continues. And then we did something special on this one. We installed some new Valvetronic design mufflers. One there. It's a valve system, if you guys don't know what that is. When they open, it becomes straight pipe, as you guys can see right there. When they're closed, it goes in here, through the muffler and back out and becomes a muffled system. So when it's open, straight through, closed, muffled, and you guys can see the valves. So right now the valves are open, right there and right there. So if we click it, it'll close, this valve will close, and the valve would close up and it goes through the muffler. Looks absolutely phenomenal. Valvetronic design mufflers. And there's the resonator that was on it. There's the two mufflers that were on it. Part number on the Valvetronics is right here. There'll be a link in the description and on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're about to start it. All right, guys, 2024 GT, valves closed. What do you think? You like it? Look at that fan. Give it gas. Not bad. Again? That's not bad at all. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. So right at 98. Still legal. Under 100. That's not bad at all. Valves closed on this thing, okay? Again? Not bad. I like it. Valvetronics. All right, we're gonna do valves open next. Here we go, guys. Now, this is valves open. Go ahead. Much better. Again. It sounds really good. Look at the sound decibels on this, guys. Go ahead. I don't think you'll ever keep the valves closed, right? Probably just in the neighborhood. Again? Yeah, so much better. One more. I like it. Wow. Let you guys hear on the inside.
This is with the valves closed.
This is our beautiful shop, guys, in Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. Just holler at us. We'll get you taken care of. 50 Mustang GT. Valves closed. Go ahead. That was valves closed, guys. Now we're gonna open them. Yeah, that sounds really nice. That's valves open. All right, so this is valves open. Valvetronic designs, mufflers and X pipe instead of the resonator. 24 Mustang GT. Get on it, bro. Oh yeah, that sounds good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I love it. Valvetronics, he done it again. It sounds phenomenal. Valves closed.